How's it going, guys? So here it's a little update on a fairly new product. And well, I mean, we had it for a while, but we had it just in carbon fiber. We just released it in forged carbon, mainly because we had quite a few requests to make this piece in carbon fiber. And the part number for this is BC102441-FCF, which stands for forged carbon. And the rear diffuser is meant to fit scat packs, RTs, SRTs, narrow bodies, and so is the bumper trim that you can see here. And once again, it's full forged carbon. And all the links are going to be linked in the description down below, so make sure to get them before we run out. Well, actually, we have a limited amount right now currently in stock, so most likely these are just going to be for pre-order for the time being. And as always, thank you guys for watching.